Yeah, I just started with recording. Okay, on an overall, list is a mutable data type. It supports indexing and slicing. It supports duplicate values. It supports heterogeneous elements, right? Okay. So, guys, any doubts here? Actually, last 10 minutes or 5 minutes yesterday, we have dropped with bandwidth. Okay, I suddenly dropped with bandwidth. Yeah, so that one will go with again. See, guys, can you see my screen? Alekya, Shushmita, and Shrimuki? Not, not yet. I can't think I haven't shared my screen. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, I started sharing my screen. Can you confirm? Are you able to see my screen or not? Yeah, this is a quick recap. I just want to give. Okay, list enclosed with the square bracket, tuple enclosed with that parenthesis. Okay, please remember. Okay, please do remember this point. Set enclosed with the flower brace. Okay, and dictionary flower brace, but key value. Okay, right. Now we started with the bytes. Okay, so as Alike told in the beginning, bytes is a group of elements. Okay, then bytes is immutable. That means we can't change. The values are from 0 to 256. Okay, then we move to bytes array. Bytes array again same as bytes, but it is mutable. Am I correct, Sushmita? But we can't directly create a bytes object or byte array object. We need to typecast from list to bytes and list to byte array. Okay. Now we'll move to list. Okay. Right. Okay. Bytes array is done. Okay. Right. See, list. Okay. I have written some points on list, right? List encloses the elements in the square bracket. Okay. X equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. Then Sunil Tech. Okay. Sunil Tech is a string and 40 is an integer and 44.55 is a fraction and 6 plus 7j is a complex number, right? You can have any data type inside it. Okay. Right. Yes. Next, list allows duplicate values that I ordered and insertion order is preserved, right? Alike, can you tell me what is insertion order is preserved? This meaning I told you yesterday, Alike. No problem, no problem. Sushmita, I think she will. Sushmita, can you tell me? Can you explain this line? Insertion order is preserved. Not output, input. No, no. Yeah, that is input value. Yes. Correct. Okay. So, just a minute. See, I have given an element in a specific order, right? 10, 20, 30, 40. So 10, 20, 40, 55.55 and Sunil Tech, right? Okay. You will get on the same order. So if you do L or print of L, you will get the same order. Guys, is that clear? That point insertion order is preserved. Okay. Right, guys? Okay. So, yeah. So we have done with the, all the points of list. Okay. Right, guys. Please do remember these points. Okay. Right. Okay. Now if I want to add an element to list, okay, L dot append, okay, please remember this function, okay, append, okay. See, I told you what is a function and everything, okay. Function means it will do some certain functionality. If you want to add a certain element to the list, use L dot append and add the element, okay. See, L. See, you can see 99 is already added at the end, okay. Again, L dot append of 100, L, right, guys? Guys, you can see right? Okay. Now, now the most commonly asked interview questions concept is there. Okay, in the list, not only list, it will applicable to string, list, and tuple everything. Okay, that is a very very the interviewers often wanted to confuse them. Okay, so yeah, guys, before going to that concept, I want someone to summarize that. Aleki, can you summarize what is list and the six properties of list, if you can, if you remember? Correct? Super good, good. Next, okay. Yes, heterogeneous. Yes, yes, correct. Yes, correct. Enough. Indexing, indexing. Okay, indexing and slicing. Okay. Right, right. Okay, let's move to the concept which where we stopped yesterday. After that concept, we'll move to tuple. Okay, right? So guys, don't think we have done with list and all. Okay, this is very a tip of the iceberg. You can call it. Okay, right? Why I'm telling means people. If you sit for some interview, that's the first question you can expect from the Python interview. That's why I was I was stressing so much. Okay, link is not coming here. C5, this is not loading properly. Not habituated with this, but still I'll try. Okay. Okay. Guys, again I'm telling about indexing and slicing. Indexing means if you want to fetch an element at a particular place, that's a indexing. And slicing means if you want to get a part of list, that's a slicing. Okay, you can compare slice of mango, you will see, right? Often you will call slice of mango and slice of banana. That's what you can compare, okay, on a layman level. And indexing always starts from, come on, zero, right? And from the end, it should always start from -1. Am I correct, guys? Yeah. So it is from the end, it is -1. Am I correct? -2, right? And I clearly explained yesterday about indexing part and slicing part, right? Like that, it will come like that, right? Okay, so list can store heterogeneous data types and insertion order is preserved, indexing is possible, slicing is possible, duplicate elements are allowed, right? And it's a mutable, main thing is mutable. When compared to bytes is immutable, byte array is mutable, list is mutable. Okay, so first thing, if someone is asking about any data type, you need to speak in terms of mutability, whether it is mutable or immutable. Okay, then he will get an impression. Oh, okay, this guy is technical guy. This guy has a good technical knowledge. Something like that he can understand. Okay, first you start with that point only, right? Okay, guys. So going forward after 20 to 30 class, I'll take one mock interview of each and every one, right? Okay, so do prepare every day. Okay, so practice regularly. Okay, one mock interview I'll take. Okay, so which you can expect some questions which were being asked in interviews. Okay, right. Leave it. Let's leave it that, and we'll get back. Eraser. Chalo. Okay. Yeah. Now the thing is, suppose a list contains certain elements, right? Am I correct? Suppose if you see here, a list contains all the elements. Okay. Now, you are pretty familiar about slicing. Am I correct? L of L of start index, semicolon, end index. Guys, is that clear? Can someone tell me, Shishmita, can you tell me what were the expected numbers out of this expression? Start index, colon, end index. See, I'll write here. Okay. If you're not correct. End index minus one. Am I correct? That is clear, right? If in interviews, if you see the third step, okay, something like okay, if someone is writing okay, four, I mean two colon five, then you can easily understand two, three, four, two, three, four will come. Am I correct? But if someone is writing okay, something like that, okay, after five, they are giving one more colon and giving one or two or something, whatever the number he is giving. Then you need to tell the output here also. Okay, right? Right. Okay, guys, any guesses? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, see, this last integer is a step value, guys. Okay, what is that? Step value. Please remember that. Okay, step value, right? Step value. Guys, please understand that. Okay, I was bad at writing on the whiteboard, something like this. Okay, so if the value is one, first you fix what are the value, what are the boundary cases. Boundary cases means start value and end value. If what, then you see the step value. If it is one, you know, 2 plus 1 3 will come, 3 plus 1 4 will come. Okay, my boundary is done. Am I correct? I was closing with the boundary. Okay, suppose if the step value is 2, so 2 plus 2, 4. So my 3 won't be coming here now. Okay, right? If step value is 2, okay, my 2 won't be, my 3 won't be coming here because it will skip one number between, right? Guys, am I clear? If it is 3, it will skip 2 elements. You got it, right? See, let us see some examples on that way. Okay. Now I want someone to answer this. Okay. Uh, 2 2 wait, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? Okay, 2 2 6 4. Alekya, can you answer this expression? What will be the output here? Very good. 5, correct, correct. 5. Mm-hmm. Correct. Oh, 1 minute. Yeah, yeah. Sorry, sorry. Yeah. See, basically, like you need to see one thing. If you see the, if you count the indexing, right? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the last one will be excluded. Am I correct? So you need to consider till 2 to 5 only. Okay, that means 2 comma 4, but 6 it won't be taking, right? Am I correct? Yeah, yeah. 1 minute. I was counted wrong. Okay, triple one. Okay. Now, yeah. Now, if you give the same expression, right? Okay. Now you know. Yeah. If now we see, now the last value is 7. Okay. See, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Right. Okay. Now 2 to 6 with a step of 2. Now it will start with 40. Then Sunil take. Then 100. Okay, because the, you know, the last one in the end index is 6, right? So 6 minus 1 5, so till 5 it will calculate. Okay, yeah. 1 minute. Yeah. Eh? Why my 100 is not coming? 40 plus 2. Okay, okay, it should be 7. 1 minute. Yeah. See, my sixth, my seventh index is how much? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, yeah. See this. Okay, seventh index, no? So earlier I was taking till sixth only, okay? So it should be n minus one. That's why it's not considered 100 also, okay? So first you take seven. Seven minus one is six, right? So that's why it will consider six now, okay? Alike, are you able to understand it? I just missed that. It was my mistake. Yeah. So always see seven minus one, okay? I mean n minus one. Till that only you need to consider the elements, okay? Right? Okay. One more example. Sushmita, can you tell me now? Shimuki, because I was not asking you because you had it yesterday, right? That's why I was not asking you. Right. Okay. 1 to 6, comma 1. Shishma, you tell me now. 1 to 6, comma 1. And don't confuse. The last one is end index. You need to see end index minus 1. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Yes. My sixth value is 100. Okay. You are not including that. Am I correct? That's it. Okay. Now, to confuse the interviewer, sorry, to confuse the candidate, okay, they'll ask like that. They won't mention any start index. They simply write 6. Now you guys tell me what will be the expected answer. Any guesses, guys? See, they didn't mention the start index. Am I correct? They just mentioned end index only. Now, and they haven't mentioned step also now. Okay. What will be the expected answer, guys? Now, yeah, I'll writing 7. Okay. Shushma, tell me now. Yes. With yes. Guys, if someone is not giving the starting index, by default it will be 0. Okay. Assume I have a 0 over here. Okay. Right. See, it is starting from 0, right? See, 10. Okay. It is starting from 0 and till going till n minus 1, 6. Right. Guys, is that clear? Alika, is that clear? Okay. Now, this is one type they can ask you. And second type is they might ask you, they will give you the starting index, okay, and they won't give you the end index. They will simply close like that, okay. Can you guess, Alekia, what might be the answer here? Starting index they gave. Now ending index they are not giving. Now tell me what might be the expected answer. Correct? Till uh okay, you are saying end minus one, nah? Okay, okay. But that is not correct, Alekia. The thing is, it will consider, it will go till the end. 1 minute. See, it will go till the end, okay. So because my list values are this one, right? So if you're not giving any end value, it will go till the end. And if you're not giving any start value, it will start from the start. But your guess is right only. I got your point. But the thing is, it will take till the last only. Okay. That is how they defend. And we are not supposed to do anything here. Okay. Right. So that is the behavior of the list they have defined. Okay. The Python library. Okay. Right. Okay. And now I'll ask for Srimuki. Srimuki, can you tell me this? Now there is no start and there is no end. It prints everything. See, guys, if there is no start and no end, it will print everything. Okay. Right. Now we'll go for a 2 colon. Okay. Now no start, no end, and no step. Guys, Aleke, can you tell me the answer now? It gives all the values, correct. See, guys, okay, guys, these two are most familiar interview questions. Okay, they might ask you to confuse to check how good are you in syntax, okay, in list, right? Okay, just to keep these points in mind, okay, because you might forgot. Okay, these things I was explained, sorry, my Python professor, in my BTech in VAT university, she used to explain me first second sem. Okay, I was not able to understand. It's been almost 8 years back. I used to forget a lot at that time, in my exams and all. Okay, keep on forgetting these things. Okay, just to keep these points in your mind. Okay. Okay, see, if there is no start index, take by default 0. If there is no end index, it will go till end. Okay, and if there is no step value, it will print everything. Okay, right? Now, Aleke, you tell me. Uh, Now I just mention some step value. 1. I'll just mention only step value as 1. Now, what might be the answer, Aleke? Mm-hmm. No, like, yeah, see, here there is no end value, right? What I told, if there is no end value, it will go till the end. This is step value, right? One only. Now you tell me. So, do you think it will give any gaps or it will print everything? Step value is 1. It will print everything. Okay. Now you tell me, if I give step value as 2, no start value, no end value. Now you tell me. Yes, correct. 1040 Sunil Tech and 100. See, 1040 Sunil Tech, then 100, right? That's it, right? Or now triple one will come or not? Can you tell me? See, 10, 40 Sunil Tech, 100. Now triple one will come or not? No, it won't come, right? Yeah, see, correct. Now, the last question, okay, for you. Okay, suppose, what is the last index, guys? Again, I'm, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Okay. If I give the only end index, guys, okay, only end index and step value, now you tell me, like answer. Now we apply the point, whatever you told earlier. No start value, but I gave only end index and step value. Yeah, please go ahead. 10, correct? It will go till first you fix the boundaries. Yes, because the seventh index means 7 minus 1, right? 6. Okay, till 100, it will take, so it will start at 10, it will go till 100. Now, can you tell me the answers now? What were the numbers? Yes, correct, clear. 1040 Sunil Tech and then 100 also, because see, my seventh index will coming to here, right? So I'm gonna include this 100 also. Okay. Yeah, so that's why you include this 100 also. Okay. Yeah. So guys, everyone is clear with this all syntax. If you guys are clear, we'll move to the next concept. Again, I'm telling, see, if there is no start value, it will take that as a beginning, and if there is no end value, it will go till the end. Okay, right? And if there is step value, it will consider. Okay, that's it. Yes. Okay, right. Yes, again, I'm telling, first fix the start value. Okay, start value, right? And then fix, based on the end value, do -1, end value -1. Okay, end value -1. So you need to include this value. Okay, guys, don't confuse again and again. Okay, you need to include the end value -1. That means the index, whoever having the end value -1, you need to include that value also. Okay, in this process, and based on the step value, you need to make a jump or you need to go for a consecutive elements. It's up to you. Okay, right, guys? Okay, Shrimuki, you tell me, Shrimuki. Now the last question. If step value is 3, Shrimuki, you tell. 40, yeah. See, I haven't given any step value. See, first I'll print. Wait. 1 minute. First, you see the L value, right? First, you see this L values. Now, my question is L step three. I gave a step value as three. No start value, no end value. Now you tell me the input number. Sorry, output numbers. So you are saying it will start at 55.55, huh? Alike, sorry, Alike, no. Srimuki, I told you, right? Basically, if there is no start value, it will start from the beginning. Am I correct if you remember? Yeah, come on, yeah. Yes, correct. 10, 55.55. Then 10, 55.5. Yes, correct. 100. Correct. That is the expected answer, right? Why are you starting from 55? I don't know. Okay. Okay. Yeah, see, 10, 55. Yeah, that's why I'm keep on telling. No, no problem. Yeah, no problem. I repeated it multiple times, so please make sure in your mind, okay, because they will after they will give one program. If they want to test you in syntax, no, they will ask these kind of stupid questions only. There is no logic here, but they still want to confuse you. Okay. Okay. Step value doesn't do slicing. No, see, it is doing slicing only. No, see, we are considering it a start value. We are going till the end value, but in that slice, they are skipping some elements. That's it. If there is a step value, if there is no step value, it will print every alternative number. You got it right? Okay. Okay, guys. Let's move for the tuple. The next one. Okay, guys. I feel everyone list. You guys are clear with the list, right? Sushmita, can you tell me what will be the function to add an element to the list? The last question of the list. Append. Okay, guys, please remember that. Okay, by using append function, you can add an element to the list, and I can tell you lot of functions on the list. Okay, but I don't want to tell it now itself. Okay, I want to tell in the list topic. This is we are in a very introductory classes. Okay, right? Okay, append, right? Python class 7 only I'm giving. Okay, guys, let's move for the tuple. Shushmita, you tell me what are the points you remember in the tuple? I'm not expecting out of these two girls. I was expecting from you only. Tell me. Wait. Don't see anywhere, okay? Don't see on the internet and tell me. Okay. Tell me now. Chepu. Open braces, ah. There is specific name, no? Tuple is enclosed with, come on, enclosed with open braces, no. Parenthesis, yes, on top of 9 and 0 you can see that, okay, on the keyboard, right? See, parenthesis, okay. Tuple is, this is very, see, if you, this is the basic point. If you miss this point, no, even something about tuple, they won't consider you, okay. That's for sure, okay, because this is so basic point, okay. Tuple is enclosed with the parenthesis, okay, right? Yeah, come on. Ah. Mm, Tuple is immutable, correct? It supports indexing and slicing. Yeah, next one. It supports. Yeah, it allows heterogeneous data types. Mm-hmm. Guys, there are only two differences between list and tuple, guys. The first 2 points are only different. Okay, remaining everything is same only. Okay, right? Insertion order is also preserved. Right. Okay. Any more points? Shunda? I feel enough, right? Yeah, it allow duplicates. Guys, if someone is asking what is the main difference between list and tuple, you need to say list is mutable and tuple is immutable. Please keep this point in mind. Okay, they will ask differences. Okay, they won't ask you directly. They will try to ask in this way. Okay, it allows duplicate values. Okay, right, guys. Okay, let us go for the code. See, guys. Okay, tuple equal to. Okay, see, this is empty tuple. Print or type of T. See, class tuple. Guys, is that clear, everyone? Okay. Now you can take some elements of the tuple, right? 10, comma 20, comma 30, comma 40, comma 50. Okay. Type of T, class tuple. Okay. Right, guys. See, you can see you can have the duplicate numbers also in the tuple. Okay. So it is supporting. See, guys, is that clear? It is supporting duplicate numbers also, right? You can have heterogeneous data types also. Okay, like something like, okay, right? See, you can have heterogeneous data type also. Okay, guys, Shimuki and Alekia, are these points are clear to you guys, or any doubts here? Tell me. No doubts, right? Okay, thank you. See, like list, we have a function to add an element, right? Okay, like, can someone tell me apart from Sushmita, guys, what is the function to add an element to a list? I just told you earlier. Append. Okay, append, right? Like a tuple, there is no element. Okay, sorry, there is no function to add an element. Okay, there is no function to add an element. Can you guys tell me the reason? What might be the reason? Because in Python library there should be some function to add an element to the list, like how the same like tuple, but there is no function to add an element. Can someone tell me why there is no function to add any element to the tuple? Shushinda, can you tell me? Yes, tuple is immutable, means that it is not allowing to change. Then what is the point of keeping a function to add an element to a tuple, right? Am I correct, guys? Right? Okay. Got it right? Okay. Okay. And insertion order is also preserved. Okay. Okay. Aliki, I was asking in the beginning of the class, right? What do you mean by insertion order? Can you tell me now? What do you mean by insertion order now? Can the elements are preserved or not? I just print the same, correct? So here, like list, the tuple also the same. You can see the same insertion order, because whatever the elements you are giving here, it will printing in the same way. Okay, don't think it is common for any data type. But set, it won't be the same. Okay, for set, the insertion order is not preserved. Okay, that is the main key difference over the set. We're gonna see the next one. Okay, right? And tuple supports slicing. Okay, sorry, tuple supports indexing and tuple supports slicing. Okay, 2 2 6, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Shrimuki, can you tell me the answer here now? Can you tell me the answer now? Don't confuse first thing. 30, 40, correct. Okay. 1 minute. 0, 1, 2. So it will start from 30. Then 40. 40 is nothing but 3, right? 50 is nothing but 4. And one more 50 will come, right? Shimuki. 30, 40, 50, 50 will come, right? See, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is correct. So 6 minus 1, right? So 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Am I correct? So you should say 30, 40, 50, then 50 will come, right? Two fifties will come. See? Okay. So by this point, you can say tuple is what we call. Tuple supports indexing in as well as slicing. Okay. We'll try with one step value. Okay. Like you tell me like okay. This answer. We'll go with the next concept. Yeah. Think and tell me. Take your time and tell me. Okay? No hurries. Yeah, six. The index is six. Now think in that way. Hmm. That's it. Are, is that enough? Is the fine, right? Like no element apart from this it will come, right? Are you sure? Yeah, correct. Yeah, correct. See, because the step value is 2 and it will go till this 51, second 50, the actual, the boundary value. But unfortunately, because of the step value, please go on mute. Because of the step value, it will go 30 and 50 only. It won't consider the next 50, okay? See, 30 and 50, okay, right? Okay, right, guys. Now we're done with tuple, list and tuple, okay? Two data types. Guys, any doubts in the tuple you want to ask now? Yeah, please go. Immutability. Yes, yes. Exactly, exactly. Because of the immutability, basically there is a one standard entry question. The difference between list and tuple they will ask. Okay, you need to tell list is mutable and tuple is immutable. Okay, right? Okay. Now we'll go. Yeah, she is an expert in giving entry, Sushmita. Expert in failing also. Okay. Yeah, chalo. So now the next data type is range. Hmm. Anyone? What is range data type? Come on, guys. What is the range data type? Correct. Who is this? Shimuki? Okay, okay, okay. Good, like yeah, you have guessed it correct only. Okay. Yeah. So the definition itself is range data type. Range data type represents sequence of numbers. Okay. Yes, this is important. Shishma, you remember one time they're asking you this interview question. I was there. You remember the company name also, right? Huh? CBA only they have asked you. They're expecting this. This is sequence you need to tell, but you are not telling. Mm. Okay, no problem. The range data type represents sequence of numbers. Okay. Guys, the sequence is the word is very important. Okay, you need to tell the sequence of numbers. Okay, and you can say order of numbers. Yeah, but sequence is more appropriate word. Okay, the elements in the range data type are not modifiable. The elements in the range data type are not modifiable. That means that means that is it is immutable. Okay, am I correct, guys? Right, guys? This is not like a list tuple or set. It is a different data types. Okay, it is a different one. It's a bit different. It will be used mainly in the for loops. Okay, it will be used mainly in the for loops. I'll tell you now. Okay, don't worry. Right. Yes, I'll copy these things. Yeah. So, guys, range. If you're not if you're giving only one value, that means it will consider, okay, 0 to till 99. Okay, am I correct, Sushmita? It will generate numbers from it will generate numbers from 0 to 99. 0 to 99. Okay, let us try that. Okay, right? Okay, fine. It is just clearing that screen only. Okay. Okay, chalo, no problem. Yeah, let us see the range of 50. Okay, is what will be the expected values, guys? Sushmita? Hmm. 1 minute, 1 minute. It is supposed. Okay, fine, 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 fine. R equal to range of 50. Okay. Yeah. So basically, if you want to see the numbers, right, one by one. Okay. So I told you, we use for loop to see those numbers. Am I correct? See, it will be used in the for loop. Okay. Right, guys. Okay. Actually, the for loop is the concept, upcoming concept, but I will tell you now. Okay. For loop concept. Okay. So the thing is, if you want to fetch elements out of the any data type one by one. Okay. If you want to fetch the elements one by one, we use for loops, right? This is a very basic introduction. I'll tell you. Okay, once we are done with that. Okay. Okay. See, for guys, the syntax is for any. Then you take any number x or I or j, anything for I in R. Okay. For I in R. Okay. For I in R, guys. Here comes the syntax and everything. Okay, because of this range only, I'm teaching this. Okay, print of I. Okay, it won't execute. Huh? Hmm. Okay, we'll go for some manual compiler. Basically, this CMD will take each single one line values only, one line commands only. Basically, okay, we'll do one thing. We'll go for PyCharm or online We'll go for online compiler for today. Okay, guys, that CMD will take, you know, one line commands only. If you want to write programs, then you should go for PyCharm. Okay, guys, is that clear? Okay, basically, yeah, I thought we can execute some way, but it is not. There will be some method, okay, some method to execute, but I'm not sure how we can execute on CMD. Okay, but instead of that, we'll go for this Python online compiler. Okay, right? Okay, guys, R equal to range of, let's type this Python online compiler, you'll get this. Okay, and you hit this one. Okay, R equal to range of 50. 50. Okay, so yeah, it will take from number from 0 to 49. Guys, the syntax is for I in R. Okay, then hit semicolon. Okay, guys, this is the syntax. Then hit semicolon, then hit enter. See, wherever the cursor is coming, no, you need to write from there only. Don't go back, front, one space, two space, three space. It won't consider you. Okay, wherever the cursor is going, no, from there only you need to write. Okay, right? Print of I. See, again you need to write in these lines only. Okay, otherwise if you're moving forward and backward, no, it will be a indexing error. Okay, sorry, indentation error. Okay, right? Guys, are you clear with this point? Alekya and Shimuki. So what I'm saying is, see, we'll run this code. Okay, see, 0 to 49 numbers will come. Suppose if I gave one backspace, see, let us run the code and see. Okay, it will be an indentation error. See, what is that? Indentation error, right, guys? See, expected an indented block for the statement after on line 2. Okay, guys, is that clear? See, if you give space also, it won't work. Okay, but it is not supposed to work this because it's an online component it's taking. The thing is, you need to go to here and give enter. Okay, that's it. Okay, that is the only way you can figure it out. But if you give space also, it won't work in most of the cases. Okay, in PyCharm, if you take those IDs, no, it won't consider that spaces and all. Okay, so you need to be follow the tab space. I think it's exactly the tab space. Okay, right? Shimuki, Aleki, guys, is that clear? So basically, in Python or Java, sorry, in Java or C languages, no, they'll use these braces, to open the for loop and to close the for loop. They'll use these braces. Okay, but for us, there is no braces concept and all. Okay, we need to go with the indented block. Okay, suppose if you want to write multiple lines, they will write something like that. Okay, we need to write in the same way only. Okay, because we need to write all the statements in the same indented block only. Okay, right? Suppose if you see print of hello. See, guys, is these two statements are in the same block or not? There, tell me. Is these two statements are inside this for loop only or not? Tell me now. Yes, they are in the same indented block. Okay, right? Now, yeah, Aleke, can you tell me the expected answer now for this program? It will see first it will print one by one. Now see first the range contains 0 to 49. First my I will be containing 0. It will print 0 and it will print hello. Then again it will go. See, I haven't told you for loop execution. No, yeah, I'll tell you now. Okay, just a minute, guys. Suppose if something is there, no, for I or X, whatever is there. Okay, in is the, guys, this is the exact keywords you need to write the same. Okay, for I in R or for I in L. Okay, this is the semicolon. Now each element of the list or each element of the range will come to I one by one. Okay, now after that we'll execute all the statements which are there in that indented block. Okay, right, guys? Then it will go to again. Okay, then the next element will come to I. First initially 0 to 49, right? 0 to 49, right? So initially 0 will come to the I and it will print I. And next 1 will come to I. It will print 1. Its next 2 will come to I. It will print 2. Okay. And 3 will come to I and it will print 3. So on till 49, each and every element will be coming to the I one by one. Like, is that clear now? Now, the thing is, now I'm twisting. I have added one more statement now. After the printing of I, there is one more statement printing of follow. So, see, before going again to the for loop, it will print one more statement each time. Now you tell me the output, like, Yes, yes, correct, correct. After each number, it's gonna print hello, hello, hello. Okay. See, 0 hello, 1 hello, 2 hello, 3 hello, 4 hello. Like that. Okay. Right, guys? Okay, one minute. This guy is pinging me. Yes, again, I will tell, in brief about the statements. Okay, about this called iterative statements. In that, I'll teach what is for loop, what are the types of for loop, and everything. This is one of the type of the for loop. This for loop is called for, for each loop. Okay, for each loop, for each loop, for each loop. See, any for loop, it will process the elements one by one, iteratively. Okay. See, it will process all the elements till the range becomes, all the elements of the range become processed. Okay, right, guys? Now, Alek, you tell me now, what will be the answer now? Now you tell me, my print of, no, it won't be an error. Actually, see, it won't be an error because, see, actually the statements, no, we can give from the edge only. Okay, print. Yes, Sunil. This is correct only. But inside the for loop, if you want to, what do we call? If you want to make any statements part of the for loop, you need to be write all the statements in the indented block only with the tab space only. Okay, tab space only. So 10 lines you are writing, those 10 lines, suppose if there are 10 lines in that indented block, those 10 lines are part of my for loop only. Okay. Now you tell me this print hello is part of for loop or not? It is not a part of for loop, right? Now you tell me what will be the output now? Yes, exactly correct. Your understanding. I was just trying to test your understanding level. Yeah, it's correct. Okay. See, 0 to 49, then hello. Okay. Right, guys? See, the only thing I want to make sure. Yeah, yeah. Sorry, you're saying. Sorry, yeah, line number 2 will also print. Okay, here Sunil will also print. Okay, right. Yeah. The only thing I want to make sure is if you want to add any statements to the for loop or you want any statement to be iteratively executed, make sure you follow the indentation spaces exactly. Okay, right? See, whatever the statement, print, bro. See, if whatever the statements you want to execute as part of my for loop, you need to add exactly at the indented block only. If you are adding from the beginning, that statement is not a part of for loop. Okay, give it tab space, it will give exact, it will come exactly here. Okay, don't give spaces, guys. Okay, maybe it will be working here, but it won't work in the IDEs. Okay, yeah, with experience, I'm saying. Okay, right. See, these three statements are the part of for loop. Alik, sorry, Srimukhi, can you tell me now what will be the output here? Hmm. Yes. Hello at the last. Yes, correct, correct. Okay. So that only I want to mention. Okay. See. Hey Sunil is fine. This is one and a zero. Hey bro, Sunil. One. Hey bro, Sunil. Okay, is that clear, right? And the last one is hello. Okay, see, this is the culprit here. Okay. Now, see, now suppose if I give like this, okay, see, it will be an error, guys. Okay, I'm not sure how this will react, but this is supposed to be an error. See, my print of I is a part of for loop, and this Sunil Tech is a part of for loop, but hey bro is not part of the for loop. In between, you can't add the line which is not part of the for loop. Okay, so it should be an error. Okay, right, guys, is that clear? See, indentation error. Okay, right. See, if you are writing the for loop, you need to write all the statements inside the for loop only. It's not like in between some statements it's not part of for loop, it will be an error. See how the compiler will understand this statement is part of the for loop and this statement is part of the for loop, but how come in between you can write a statement which is not part of the for loop, right? Guys, is that clear? Guys, this is about indexing. Guys, this concept is very important. Okay, right? I'll give you some assignment today. I'll give you after the class, I'll give you small assignment. Okay. Okay. Guys, everyone is clear with this concept. Sushmita, I feel you are comfortable with this. That's why I'm not asking you this, right? Okay, then. This is about the range, guys. Actually, to fetch the numbers from the range, we need a for loop. Okay. Otherwise, it's not giving, right? You can see the numbers, it is simply giving a range. Okay. But there is some way we can execute, guys. Actually, I'm not sure. Yeah, see, type double enter. Okay. Yeah, see, type enter, then enter. Okay, then it will give output here also. But it is not a convenient way to write, multi-line programs in CMD. Okay, don't write multi-line programs in CMD. Only one-line statements are there. No, those comments you can execute in CMD happily. But multi-line comments, I prefer don't write that. Okay, right, guys. So we have done with the range, guys. Yeah, okay. Now in range, yeah. Now in range, suppose 20 to 50. Now, can you guys tell me what will be the expected answer now? I'll just remove this all. Come on. Alike, can you tell me now? What are the numbers I'm expecting now? See, now there is a start value, there is an end value. Now you tell me. If there is no start, it is coming from zero. If there is a start value, it needs to consider the start value, right? Yes, 20 to 40, correct. Yes, 20 to 49, then hello. Correct. Suppose, Shivik, you tell me now, if I write step value as a 2 now, can you tell me the answers now? Come on. Hmm. Step value. Yes, 20, 22, 24, 26. Yeah. Yes. Till the last number you are expecting will be 49, 48. Yes, 48 is correct. Guys, is that clear, everyone? Okay, see, 48. Okay, 22, 48. Okay. Actually, there is a basic program. Okay, they'll ask, okay, print all even numbers from 0 to 100. Okay, or odd numbers from 0 to 100. Okay, so then what you will do, guys, here? Aleke, can you tell me now? How can you print all the even numbers from 0 to 100 now? 0 to? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Any step value? Yes, correct. Step 2. Okay. Correct. Step 2. Okay. Now you can expect all the even numbers from 0 to 100. Okay. Suppose if I want all the odd numbers, Shrimuki, can you tell me now? All the odd numbers from 0 to 100. Come on, guys. Yes, start from 1. That's it, guys. Okay. That's it, Shimu. Correct. Okay. That's it, guys. Okay. Amma. Yeah, guys, we are exhausted with our time. Okay, it's 9:05. Okay, let me stop. Just stay on the call. I will tell you one thing. Uh, I'll stop the recording now.